Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about another bullish sign, which usually happens before a bull market is about to start. So bear with me, and I'm going to talk about that as well. Then we have the possibility that, yes, Blackrock is going for an Ethereum spot ETF as well. What happened exactly, I tell you in a second. And then on the third topic, what I would like to discuss is that the Fed is terrified that Americans could get used to high inflation, and less Americans trust that Fed can bring inflation down to 2% quickly, which is definitely not good for the whole society and the economy. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh videos here on Blockchain Bloom, longer videos and everyday short videos as well to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content what I'm creating every single day. So let's do it. And for a start, like always, let's have a look at the prices. So we see where we are right now. So Bitcoin is at the moment $36,879 US, which is about a 0.5% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is above $2,000, 2,052 right now, and very small increase. When we're looking at the top winners is TIA, or Taya, I'm not sure how to pronounce the ticker. Anyway, 30% up in the last 24 hours and went up quite significantly in the last week. That makes it 62 the position when we're looking at the market cap for cryptocurrencies. Then on the second place, we have Filecoin, 14%, and we have Xerox protocol, 14% up as well. Also went up quite significantly in the last 7 days. When we're looking at the top losers, CRO, which went up, now it's gone down 10%. Huobi token also went up before, now 7% correction. Aptos, 6% down now in the last 24 hours. Okay, Bitcoin candlestick chart. We can see here actually bearish divergence, when you look at this one here and also here on the RSI, and we can see that actually, Bitcoin price went up quite significantly, going up for a while already, starting really kind of heavily since the mid of October. But also before it, end of September, it was already starting this increase, but then we went up more heavily, and sooner or later correction going to come. So this could be a sign for it. However, if the narrative for this bullish mood, for the FOMO, is still strong, that can actually make us continue upward for a while, because there's always a correction. Please be aware of it. So if you play the kind of game that you would like to take some profit, I think it's always wise to do some while you're letting some going with the price. If it's going up, it's not financial advice. You do your own homework and make your own decision. This is just the fact after a significant increase. But when the narrative is continuing, and then we can visit in no time 40,000 as well. So yeah, keep an eye on the chart. Definitely, that's important. Right, and now the first topic. The first topic is all about the bullish sign. And why is this bullish? I tell you in a second. So if you would like to buy cryptocurrency, you have to invest in crypto. Yeah, that makes sense, of course. And what people do, not always straight away jump into Bitcoin or Ethereum. They first buy stablecoin and then waiting for the moment. Therefore, when the stablecoin market cap starts to increase quite significantly, it was in the past as well, but now could be sign that a bullish trend is definitely coming. And now what we can see, when we're looking at Tether has minted 4 billion USDT in the last 4 weeks. So fresh new USDT. And this is actually nearly 18% of all USDT issued so far in 2023. So just in the last 4 weeks. So when we're looking at more details, then Tether issued another 1 billion of Tether on the Tron blockchain on the 10th of November. The blockchain data provider Whale Alert reported. The latest USDT minting came just a few days after Tether issued another 1 billion USDT on Ethereum on the 9th of November, in addition to 2 billion USDT issued on 2 batches on the Tron blockchain November 3rd and 19th of October, according again to Whale Alert data. And yes, so based on Whale Alert data, Tether should have minted 22.75 billion USDT in 2023. So in this year, with 13 billion or 57% having been issued on the Tron blockchain. So that's getting quite heavy over there. Remaining amount of 9.75 billion USDT was issued on the Ethereum blockchain. And yeah, I have actually the same here, but I just wanted to show you. Here, look at this. This is spring 2020, just before really the bull market was about to start. After the halving, we had the halving, and then, of course, if you remember, end of 2020 in December, we had crossed the previous all-time high around 20,000, Bitcoin. That was, and yeah. Then after it went up quite significantly. So we can see that when Tether market cap it's about to increase, that means money inflowing into crypto from the outside if there is more minted, more Tether. And when we're looking at this here, this little one, it could mean another new start. We're going to see how that works. But as I just showed you, it went up quite significantly recently. Back then we were here in in January, December, around 65 billion US dollar. Now we're talking about almost 87 billion USDT. Okay, so this is definitely a bullish sign. It's not something which will shoot the rocket straight away tomorrow, but something, when we read between the lines what can come, this could be one thing to lead to that one. Anyway, okay, let's move to the next topic. The next topic is all about the Blackrock, and Blackrock's Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed in Nasdaq filling. There's a big hype around now Bitcoin spot ETF, because after Blackrock has applied for it, then many other, asset managers jumped into the game, and now we have Fidelity, Vanguard, and many other guys. Now, the new thing is that, BlackRock's Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed in Nasdaq. So the world's largest asset manager has already made waves by seeking to list a Bitcoin ETF, as we know. And earlier, a couple of days ago, it emerged that the corporate entity iShares Ethereum Trust had been registered in the state of Delaware. iShares is the name of BlackRock's ETF division, as we know. So this is not yet a Bitcoin application or something like that. Sorry, Ethereum, Ethereum spot ETF application. This is what I wanted to say. But these are signs, because this is the whole story has started also for Bitcoin. And yeah, it can easily happen that, after Bitcoin, the Ethereum spot ETF is coming. And who knows, maybe other alts lining up as well, if crypto getting really big in the next bull run, and BlackRock can even make it even bigger. As I said earlier, it's not great for Bitcoin that they start to accumulate a lot, but for the price in short term, yes, it's good. So if you make profit with it, you can, because this narrative coming out, all these spot ETFs, Bitcoin and then Ethereum, going to bring up crypto prices in the future, and really could be one of the catalysts for the next bull market. And the third topic is all about that more and more Americans are skeptical that Fed can bring down the inflation to 2% as they would like to. So now actually Ted is kind of terrified that Americans could get used to high inflation because it may, happens. Your central bank, pays close attention whether Americans still have faith in inflation will eventually return to normal. That faith seems to be eroding. Yes, and here you can get in more details. But bottom line is what I wanted to highlight. If now here in this article you can read that now the forecast is that Fed can bring down the inflation. Where is it? Okay, anyway, to 2%. What's the target? Just in 2026. And now we end of 2023. So it looks like that people should stay with higher inflation for a longer time. And this is, pretty bad for the people because that means they have to spend much more money. And of course, on the other hand, the paychecks, they don't increase with it. And if the Fed would like to step up and be, again, stricter, that means more rate hikes, which is pretty bad for the economy because now they, kind of running out of money. They have to print money. So now the time is really to print money and not increase the rate hikes, which was bad for the economy as well. On the other end, was necessary to bring down the inflation. So it's not an easy situation. And right now, it looks like that more and more Americans are kind of skeptical that Fed can do this 2% target soon, maybe just happening in 2026. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and subscribe button all. If you do this in this order, then you will get the notification as soon as a new video is out. And then you keep yourself up to date. That's the goal. So, guys, have a good one. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. And hit the like button. Don't forget it.